Good morning. Snowy run. This time it's actually snowing. Last snowy run, I got out after it was all said and done. Hello. Oh, God. You have to laugh at yourself because if you can't laugh at yourself, everybody else will. I mean, I hate running in the cold, but look at this. It's beautiful. I love it. So pretty. I got trail sneakers on for the snow. Good morning. About being lost in a sea of other runners and in a sea of other content creators. That sinking feeling where reality of the situation hits you when you realize how long it takes to find other people you want to follow and for them to find you too. It's kind of overwhelming. And the thing about that is that I decided, yeah, that is what it is. And I related it to the first half marathon I did with 300 other people 2 years ago. And how overwhelming that felt. And I was nervous and worried and anxious, and someone was running beside me at mile 3, and the person in front of her was with her, trying to help her keep pace. And the person in front of her was going faster. I said to this perfect stranger, who was not a stranger because we were running together, "What pace are you trying to keep?" And she told me. And I said, "Well, that's my pace that I'm trying to keep for the next few miles." And we chatted a bit back and forth, and I had a friend for about a mile, and then I honestly don't know what happened, but I was in front of her, and then I never saw her again. So that's not the point. That's not the point of the story. The point of the story is that I felt overwhelmed, and I reached out to somebody who was also on the run, and probably her first time, and trying to keep a pace and trying to set a goal. And for a mile, it was really nice. I had someone to talk to about running and our paces and what we were working on. And I realized you can kind of feel alone in the sea of YouTube content sometimes too. I started my YouTube because I wanted to find a community. I was kind of feeling, despite best efforts, to feel pretty alone in a sea of content, in a sea of runners. And that's when it occurred to me to start reaching out more and branching out more and subscribing and leaving comments and finding other people if I want a community, I have to work on building it, not just putting out videos. And so it related to me in a few different ways. Reach out to other runners. It can be helpful for your own running. Reach out on YouTube to other creators. It can help you feel less alone running on YouTube. And so I've started being more purposeful about setting time aside to find other content creators with smaller channels like me. I dedicate time to edit, make, and post my videos and share them. I need to start making some time to finding and reaching out to others around me. And the same goes for my running. On a race or not, let's do some quiet scenery over here without my yapping away, if you'd like to enjoy it for a minute or so. I'm on an 8-mile slow pace recovery run today, so I have the time to share. And I'm wearing my very sturdy trail sneakers. So we are good to go. And it feels nice and soft. I mean, the snow feels soft. The trail is very frozen, very firm. Look how beautiful. So pretty. Don't feel lost and don't feel alone when it comes to running. You're surrounded by other runners. Find a group or take a friend. And the same comes for YouTube. I'm off. I've got about 5 more miles to finish, so. No, 4. I hope wherever you are, you're having a great day. Happy weekend. Whew, it's cold. Actually feels colder now because now I'm wet from the snow. So anyway, wherever you are, hope you're having a great day, night, wherever. And I hope if you're not running, you can get running soon. Bye.